In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change profile background on Steam. By the end of this video, you'll have a new Steam profile background applied. Or, if you don't have one yet, you'll know how to get a background from the Points shop and apply it. First, open Steam. On your desktop, launch the Steam application so you're on the main storefront or library screen. Next, click your profile name. You'll find it at the top right of the Steam window. Click it to open the account menu. From the menu, click View My Profile. This takes you to your public profile page where you can see how your profile currently appears to others. Now, click Edit Profile. Look for the Edit Profile button near the top right of your profile page and select it to open your profile settings. Go to Profile Background. In the Edit Profile panel, you'll see a list of sections on the left. Click Profile Background to open the Background Settings page. Select a background. Here, you'll see the profile backgrounds you already own. Click a background to select it. You should see a preview showing how it will look on your profile. Take a moment to confirm the preview looks the way you want. Click Save. Use the Save button to apply your selected background to your Steam profile. Once saved, your profile background is updated. If no background is available, or you don't see any options to select here, you need to get one first. Go to Points Shop. At the top of the Steam window, open the Points Shop. This is where you can browse items you can get with Steam points, including profile backgrounds. Buy a profile background. In the Points Shop, you navigate to the Profile Background section. Browse the available designs, then choose a background you like. Click to buy it using your Steam points. Confirm the purchase on screen. This adds the background to your account so it appears in your profile background settings. Return to Edit Profile, then apply it. Go back to your profile by clicking your profile name, choose View My Profile, then click Edit Profile again. Open the Profile Background section, select the new background you just acquired, and apply it. You'll see the preview update, confirming it's ready to use. At this point, your Steam profile background is set. You can view your profile to confirm the change and adjust it anytime by returning to Edit Profile and opening Profile Background. That's it! Your Steam profile background is now changed and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.